Good morning, my dear students. In this video, I will cover design of single reinforced beam. Before starting off, please sit down with a notebook, a pen and a calculator. First, I will discuss the different steps how to solve the problem. So please note down the steps in your notebook. After that, I will take up one university problem and solve it in detail. So while I am solving the problem for you, I am requesting you that you please do the calculation in your calculator so that you can do it in the exam hall. Just by going through or seeing my video will not help you much in doing the problem in the exam hall. Definitely you will understand it, but if you do not do it in the calculator, that will not help you while you are trying to do it on your own in the exam hall. So let us start about different steps. See, generally the question comes, you have to find the moment of resistance of a single reinforced beam. So what are the steps? Step number 1, first find the area of the steel reinforcement. Let us name it as AST. Second step, find the actual neutral axis. NA stands for neutral axis. So how the actual NA you can find? XU equal to 0.87 FYAST divided by 0.36 FCKB, where Fy is the strength of the steel, AST is the area of the steel reinforcement, FCK it is the compressive strength of the concrete, and B is the width of the beam. Step number 3, find the depth of the balanced section. What is the notation? XU max. Now please remember and understand this step. XU max is equal to 0.53 D for mild steel, that is Fe 250. 0.48 D, that is Fe 415, and 0.46 D for Fe 550. So please see in the question that what you have to use, which steel you have to use. According to that, you choose any one of these value for XU max. What is D over here? Let me explain. D is the effective depth. Okay. Step number 4. So in step number 2, you have find XU, that is the actual NA. In step number 3, you have find XU max, that is the depth of the balanced section. So if XU is less than XU max, you have to write that the section is under reinforced. So in that case, moment of resistance can be found out by MR equal to 0.87 FYAST within bracket D minus 0.42 XU. And suppose if XU is greater than XU max, that is step number 5, so the section is over reinforced. In that case, take the value of XU as XU max. Okay, and how you will find MR, moment of resistance? MR is equal to 0.36 FCK B XU max within bracket D minus 0.42 XU max, bracket close. So these are the steps. I hope all of you have noted it down. Now I will start one university problem and you also simultaneously do it with me. See the step and then do it with me. An RCC beam 230 mm wide and effective depth 400 mm is reinforced with 4 bars of 16 mm dia in tension zone. Calculate the moment of resistance. Consider the beam is made of M15 concrete and Fe 415 steel. In this problem, width of the beam is given as 230 mm. The effective depth of the beam is 400 mm and the beam is reinforced with 4 bars of 16 mm diameter in the tensile zone. So, and what else is given? It is given that you have to use M15 concrete and Fe 415 steel. Okay, so these are the given data. So first you note down the given data and draw the diagram as I have drawn. So from here we can take the decision that if M15 concrete is used, so what is FCK? FCK is the compressive strength of the concrete, so it will also be 15. Matlab M15 if it is given, FCK will be 15. Suppose M20 is given, FCK will be 20. Suppose M40 is given, FCK will be 40. Whatever is the grade of the concrete, that will be the value of FCK. Next is Fe 415 steel is used. So what will be Fy? Fy will be 415. That means whatever is the value of Fe is given, that will be the value of Fy. Done. Now I have also written that the width of the beam is 230. Width, the notation is B, small b, and effective depth is what? Small d. So that is 400. Let us start the problem. How to solve? Please see the steps as I have already mentioned you earlier. First step is we have to find the area of the steel reinforcement. So AST will be how much? 4 multiplied by, why it is 4? Because 4 bars are used. So you have to multiply by 4 into what? The cross-sectional area of 1 bar, that is pi by 4 into 16 square. So that gives you 804.57 millimeter square. So this is the area of the steel reinforcement. Second step we have to find the actual NA. Actual NA, what is the formula? XU equal to 0.87 FYAST divided by 0.36 FCKB. So put the value 0.87, Fy value is what? 415. AST value, just now we have found out 804.57, okay? Divided by 0.36 multiplied by FCK. What is FCK? 15. What is B? 230. So if you calculate, you will get 233.88 millimeter. Now what was step number 3? Step number 3 was the depth of the balanced section. There I have given you 3 formulae and I have told that you see the problem, which concrete grade is used, according to that you use the value, correct? So here M15 we have used. So for M15, what is the value of XU max? That is 0.48. You see the value of the steel used and then you choose the value of XU max. So Fe 415 steel is used. So the value of XU max equal to 0.48 into D. So 0.48, what is D? Effective depth. What is the value? 400. It is given in the problem. Correct, na? So 0.48 into 400, 192 millimeter. Now what was our conclusion? There was either step 4 or step 5. So we have to first decide which step we should go for. Compare the value of XU and XU max. Here we can see XU that is greater than XU max, means 233.88 is greater than 192. Okay, so here the section is over reinforced, the section is over reinforced, and in that case we have to take the value of XU equal to XU max. Now what was the formula? This formula you have to remember. Moment of resistance is equal to 0.36 FCK into B into XU max within bracket D minus 0.42 XU max bracket close. Now let us see how we put the value. 0.36 FCK means 15. B means the width of the beam. How much? 230. XU max, what? We have to take the value of 192. Then bracket start. What is the value of D? D is 400 minus 0.42 into XU max is equal to 192. Correct? So if we put the value, we see the calculation is comes out to be 76.1558 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. Now we have to convert, or we can convert, or we may keep the answer in that format also. So the final answer comes out to be 76.15 kilonewton meter, because 1 kilonewton is equal to 10 cube Newton and 1 meter is equal to 10 cube millimeter. So by this way we can find the moment of resistance of a single reinforced beam.